Hello everyone, it's me Butterfly Spirit 314. So guys, today what I wanted to do is give you guys a tip on what you should do if you want to buy a car. Okay? So guys, the first tip I want to give you is if you want to buy a car, this could be your first car or second car that you're buying or whatnot. My first tip is save up money to get a car. Don't go through getting financing or a loan to buy a car. The reason you don't want to go through getting loans to buy a car is because the thing is, if you buy a car on a loan, you're going to be paying on that car loan for years. And if you're paying on a car loan, you don't own that car. That's why people's cars get repossessed by banks and stuff, or even credit unions, because the person doesn't own the car because they didn't use their own money. They used the bank's money. Okay. They're buying the car on credit. Okay. So it's not really your car. So you have to pay for all these years. And then after paying for, some people pay for 10 years or something like that, or 5 or 7 years, then it's finally your car. Okay. What I did when it came to me getting another car, because I had to replace the car I had, was that I saved up money in order to get my car. So I owned it free and clear. When I tried to go to a credit union to get a loan to buy a car, like do like a personal loan, to do that, it didn't work out because I found out you need at least a 720 credit score or above to get approved for a car loan, okay? Or any kind of car loan, personal loan, whatever. So you have to be, in the 740s, okay, to get a loan through a bank or credit union. You would think credit unions would give you some slack, but no, they don't. I tried going through a bank, didn't work. Okay, for getting a personal loan, trying to get a car loan, it did not work. Okay. Also, when you're trying to go through a bank or a credit union, because they're different, what's going to happen, I mean, you'll fill out an application online, of course, and stuff, or you're going to the bank or the credit union for the loan or whatever. The thing is, guys, is that you never know what credit score they're going to pull. If you live in the United States, they could pull any one of your credit scores, you know, and if that credit score, because you have three. If they end up pulling your credit score and it's below 700, you're not going to get approved for a car. Now, some people may say, "Oh, I can get a car loan or a personal loan or whatever." The thing is if you do end up and you have a low credit score and you're trying to get a car and stuff like that, you might end up getting a high interest loan where you have to make really high monthly payments for that car that you're buying. It's just so much easier to save up money and buy a car. Now, I know some people are not in a position that they can do that. For me, I literally had to catch the bus. I had to catch the train or tram. I had to walk in order to basically save up money and stuff. And I did that from July all the way until like November. I did take Ubers and stuff to get to places, but yeah, guys, I saved up money, and in order to be able to get me a car, to get the car I have now. And the great thing about me having this car that I have that's used and stuff is that, and it is a Honda, so it's a Honda CRV. You guys probably saw the car in one of my videos or whatever, when I was talking about don't buy a car on Facebook Marketplace. But yeah, that is my car. I saved up to get it. I had a little bit of help from one of my cousins, that helped me with getting, like, paying like a couple more $100 or something like that. I think it was like $400 my cousin helped me with out with or whatever, but I have since paid it back. So For my car, I paid about $2,000 for my car, and I have a really decent car. It is over 200,000 miles, guys, but it's a car. You know, it's better than walk-in. It's better than taking the bus. It's better than an Uber, because Ubers are expensive. You don't think Ubers are expensive, but if you're trying to go a mile away from your house, you may end up paying $20 to for an Uber to be able to take you where you got to go. And that's not just going. That's not just going. That's coming back too. Okay. So yeah, guys. My tip is to save up money so you can buy a car. Thanks for watching.